As traders, the most challenging part is funding your own account. What if I tell you that you can start trading with just $10 by using the best broker in the world, guys? So I'll be using Just Markets to flip a $10 account into $10,000, and each and every video will be dropped here, or each and every trade will be dropped here on the YouTube channel, so that you can see how to flip an account into massive profits. And the first thing that I'll do is just use proper risk management, which means each and every trade will be at 0.01 up until the account is a bit bigger, to be taking bigger lot sizes, guys. Now, and the pairs that we're going to use, we're just going to use basic currency pairs that everyone knows. For example, Euro USD, GBP USD, your USD CAD. Those are the simple pairs that you can start trading with or trading on, so that you can grow your small account, guys. And do not be scared, guys, just because this journey here will be you and me doing it together, guys. And then if you want me to show you how to do these things, make sure that you join the free Telegram channel, just because I'll be dropping each and every trade idea that I'll be taking on that account. And remember, it's a $10 account using Just Markets. And if you want to join this journey here, you can just use the link in the pinned comments or in the description below. And do not forget, guys, click the like button and subscribe to the channel, just because the first video will be dropped tomorrow. I think tomorrow, just because the main idea is not for me to swing, or for me to scalp. So which means that I'll be day trading and swinging for a bit, just because it's a small account after all. So taking a lot of profits or taking a lot of small profits will give that account a bit of growth, so that we can swing a bit, just because the most perfect strategy to grow small accounts is by swing trading, guys. I don't know if you think scalping is the best or scalping gold is the best. I know it's the best, but like I prefer doing it a bit simple for everyone that is new to the channel, so that they can see how we do things. And the strategy that I'll be using will be simple also. It's just market structure and supply and demand, of which most of you guys already understand how I trade market structure or supply and demand. And the reason why I'm doing this video here is to motivate everyone that is trading small accounts to not rush the process, guys. And never rush the process. Make sure that you are following each and every trade setup, or you're following your trading plan to a T, just because the idea here is to just follow your plan, so that you can see if it works out. And what I've been told for quite a while, or years, when I started trading, was that each and every strategy works, guys. You can be using trend lines, you can be using support and resistance, you can be using supply and demand, you can be using SMC. As long as you're profitable, then everything will work out. Or as long as you follow your trading plan to a T, then everything will work out. For example, let me just ask you a question right now. If you are profitable, or if you have like a 30% strike rate, is that trader profitable or not? Do drop your question, do drop your answers in the comment section and tell me what you think. But like, in my perspective, a 30% win rate is very good, just because everything depends on what depends on your risk to reward. Let's say maybe you risk 1% to gain 7%, or to gain 5% minimum on your trade. So if you're risking $1, you want to gain around $5. So if you take 7 losses, that means you are minus 7%. And then if you win 3 losses, if you win 3 trades, that means that you are up 15%. So minus that $7, you are left with how much? You are left with around 8% profits. So that means that 30% strike rate can be a good strike rate. That's if you are following a plan. So that is why I'm making this series right now. $10 to $10,000, and it's gonna take time. I know it's gonna take time. It's not gonna be 2 days or 3 days to reach that amount by trading currency pairs. But like, I want you guys to join me on that journey, so that you can see how it goes, guys. Make sure that you click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the first video tomorrow on the $10 to 10,000 challenge, guys. Make sure that you click the like button and subscribe, and peace out, guys.